Hello, my name is Andrew Nguyen, and now I will explain about a system with three equations of Unit 6. Now I will do a problem that has three systems. The problem is x plus 3y plus 2z equals negative 2, 2x subtract y subtract z equals negative 9, and x subtract 2y plus 5z equals 1. And that is all one set. And in this problem, we are aiming to solve for x, y, and z. First off, you start naming the three equations, and I will name them a, b, and c for easier usage. Next, you start solving for a and b first. Using the elimination method is best for summing them. This method means that you try to balance a coefficient of a certain variable from both sides so they can cancel out when you sum them. So one value has to be positive and the other has to be negative. In here, it looks best to take out the z because multiplying the b equation by 2 is the simplest out of all of them. After multiplying, I summed up all the values, which also cancel off the two z's since one is positive and the other is negative. At the end, I got 5x plus 1y equals negative 20, and we will use this equation later on. So now we solve for b and c using the same method. Since we took up z already, we have to do the same for this set as well. The same method is applied in here. Multiplying the b equation by 5 will balance off the z coefficients and they can be cancelled off in the sum. As you see here, negative 5z and 5z will cancel out in the sum. Because one of them is negative and the other is positive, so they cancel out. And I got 11x subtract 7y equals negative 44. Now we will combine these pre-answers into one set and solve for the y variable. In order to get y, x must be cancelled out in the process of elimination. Negative 11 must be multiplied to the top equation and 5 must be multiplied to the second in order for balancing the coefficients of x in both equations, where negative 55 is negative for the top and 55 is positive for the second, which will result in 0. So I get negative 46y equals 0, and I combine linear terms by dividing negative 46 to both sides and get y equals 0. Then to solve for x, plug in the y value into one of the pre-answers and solve it by combining linear terms. And in here, I got x equals negative 4. Finally, to solve for z, pick one of the starting equations and plug it into plug the x and y value in it. After that, I combined linear terms and got z equals 1. The answer is put it in this form, where x goes first, y goes second, and z goes last. These kinds of problems are very complex in life. One example of a simple one is as at a restaurant, children fee costs $5 and adult fee costs $10, and 150 people attended total. $200 were collected in total. How many children and adult ate in the restaurant? And that is one example that is related to life. Thank you.